Have you been looking for that perfect home? This one may be the one. This 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home, located on 2 lots, has just over 2,100 square feet of living space, attached oversized heated 2-car garage and 50 by 28 heated workshop with 2 overhead doors and half-bath. The home has a beautiful kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and is open to the dining room. Both have new hardwood floors. The dining room has a walkout to a large patio area and large above-ground pool with deck area, kids' play area and fenced yard. The main level of the home also has a living room with new hardwood floors, primary bedroom with great ensuite bath with walk-in tiled shower, laundry/mud room and half-bath off the attached oversized 2-car garage. The upper level of this home has 2 very large bedroom suites and full bath. The basement is finished with a family room area, game area and wet bar. The basement also has a 3/4 bath and walkout to the back patio area. The finished 50 by 28 shop has heat and half bath, 2 overhead doors, lots of works.